Good morning, traders. This is Frank Cholly with RJO Futures in Chicago, coming to you on Wednesday morning, September 26th, with your grain market morning commentary. Currently, grains are trading lower across the board. Corn's about 9 or 10 cents lower. Soybeans 19 or 20 cents lower, right in there. And the wheat also about 9 or 10 cents lower. In the outside markets, we have a lot of red on the board. Another risk-off day, I guess. Now, the quarter is drawing to a close now. And maybe part of this is just some profit taking with the outside markets. Equities had a very negative day yesterday, outside down day in the S&Ps. And that's a good indication that this market may be reversing. But again, maybe it's just some simple profit taking at the end of the quarter. So I mentioned this because outside markets could weigh on the grain markets also. We have a big quarterly stocks report on Friday. And we're going to be doing a special roundtable discussion this afternoon about that report, so I encourage you to tune in for that. And, the grain markets have gone through a bit of a correction already. It's hard to say that there's going to be enough bearish news in this report to keep that downside momentum going. But the one caveat is that the outside markets, hey, if things are really slowing down on a global scale, then, demand in general will be weaker and prices will need to go lower. However, we do have a big report and it could go either way. I don't know. Let's wait and see. Right now, the path of least resistance does seem to be lower. And again, fundamentally though, nothing's really changed. So we have a very tight supply. Soybeans in particular cannot continue to export at the rate that they are right now. We're just way ahead of what the projections were, and it's still undetermined exactly how much we're going to get out of the ground until we get through this harvest. We won't have a real clear picture on that. So wheat, that market's more sideways than anything, but really, in my opinion, that's the weakest fundamentally. I'd be surprised if that market doesn't have a little bit of a sharper sell-off. We currently trading, around that 875, 877 level. I'd expect that market to get into the low $8 range. Corn holding up. It is below that 740 level we've been talking about, but still holding up. Again, ahead of the report, we may not see too much more as far as this correction goes, but we are experiencing a lot of technical damage to the charts. There was a ton of bullish sentiment, and this thing could snowball into a deeper correction longer term. I think that because of the tight supply, things will bounce back. Prices will move higher, provided that the economy doesn't really come to a halt. So listen, that's all I have time for now. Again, please tune in this afternoon for our roundtable discussion. And as always, remember that trading commodity futures does involve substantial risk of loss, and it's not suitable for everyone. Thank you.